Now we're going to discuss solution by equating coefficients in solving the decomposition, of partial fractions. So we have this given here, this fraction here. We are asked to resolve this into partial fractions. So given here 6x squared plus 1 over x squared times quantity x minus 1 quantity squared. So you will notice the denominator is composed of continuous or repeated linear factors. This one is x times x and this one is x minus 1 quantity squared. So since we have these two factors here, this one will be decomposed into partial fractions. So we are going to have 4 partial fractions. The first one, we decompose this into 2 x's, x and x squared, and this one into 2 x minus 1 quantity squared. So this one will be equal to a over x plus b over x squared plus c over x minus 1 plus d over x minus 1 quantity squared. First step, we're going to multiply this whole equation by the LCD, which is x squared times the quantity x minus 1 quantity squared. So doing so, we're going to get this new equation here, 6x squared plus 1. The denominator cancels out. That will be equal to a x times the quantity x minus 1 quantity squared plus b times x minus 1 quantity squared plus cx squared times the quantity x minus 1 plus dx squared. So we expand all of these, multiply all of these factors here. So ax times this quantity here will result in this form. So this one becomes ax cubed first the term minus 2a squared, 2ax squared plus ax, plus bx squared minus 2bx plus b. And this one, when we distribute this inside of our pieces, it becomes cx cubed minus cx squared plus dx squared. We just distribute the numbers or the term outside, inside the parentheses. Now we're going to apply the solution by equating coefficients. First, we collect the coefficients of x squared. So on the left side equation, the coefficient of x squared is 6. This one here, the coefficient of x squared is negative 2a. The coefficient of bx squared is b. And the coefficients of, so we're going to is b, the coefficient of the x squared here is b, x squared. For c is negative c, and for d is d. So upon collecting the coefficient of x squared, we get 6 is equal to negative 2a plus b minus c plus d. So we now have this first equation here. Collecting the coefficient of x. Since on the left side we got no x here, the coefficient of x here is a. The coefficient of x here is negative 2b, and there's no more. So we now have another equation. We call this one equation 2. 0 is equal to a minus 2b. So we have two equations here. Try another equation. For constant here, we have 1 here. For the constant here, we have b. 1 is equal to b. There's no more constants here. So b is equal to 1. So if we will examine equation 2, with two variables, but b is already known, so we've known the value of b. So we substitute the value of b in equation 2. Upon substituting, we get 1 here for equation 2. What is equation 2? 1 this will be, what is this? 1, this is not 1, I'm sorry, sorry, this one is 0. So this one is for equation 2. 0 is equal to a minus 2 times b. So b is equal to 1. So when we transpose negative 2 on the left side equation, we get the value of a to be 2. Now we have found the value of a and b. Now we try to collect the value of c. No? So we collect the coefficient now for c. No? So we try, this is x cubed. So we try to collect the coefficient of x cubed. So c is equal to a plus c. We have solved for a, so 0 is equal to 2 plus c. So c is equal to negative 2. Now we have 3 values here. For a we have 2, for b is 1, and c is negative 2. We substitute all the values of a, b, c in equation 1. So this is equation 1. We know the value of a, b, and c. So we can find the value of b. So 6 here times negative 2, and a is 2, plus b, this is 1, plus c, no? Negative 2, and negative is 2, and plus d is equal to 7. Is equal to d, no? Computing for the value of d, negative 4, this one is negative 4, plus 3 is negative 1, plus d. We transpose 1 on the left side of the equation, so d is equal to 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So we now have the values of the 4 variables. So we just substitute on the given solution there, no? Or representation. So 6 squared plus 1 over x squared, that's quantity x minus 1 quantity squared. So for a we have here 2 over x plus b 1 over x squared, this one, and c is negative 2 over x minus 1 plus d, which is equal to 7 over x minus 1 quantity squared. So to check this one here, this will be our final answer. Now we want to know if this final answer here is correct. So we're going to check our solution. No? To check this one here, if we multiply our answer, no, this equation here by the LCD, which is x squared times the quantity x minus 1, as you can see, we can cancel out the denominator, and if the numerators are equal, then our answer is correct. No? So multiplying this fraction by the LCD, we get 2x cubed minus 2 times quantity 2x squared plus 2x plus x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x squared. So this will be the numerator, no, of the left side of the right side equation. As you can see, 2x cubed here minus 2x cubed here, no? So we can cancel out 2x cubed and 2x cubed. For x squared, this is negative 4x squared, and this one is x squared plus 2x squared plus 7x squared. X squared plus 2x squared plus 7x squared is 6x squared, no? Is 10x squared minus 4x squared is 6x squared. Plus 1, no? So as you can see, the value of the left side of the equation, the numerator of the left side equation is equal to the numerator of the right side equation. So our answer is correct. Thus, that's how we're going to apply the solution of equating coefficients to, or in solving partial fractions with the form like this. No? So thank you again for watching our videos for today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by Wilfredo Tan. And if you have any comments, suggestions, no? Please do so, and don't forget to like, share, and also click the notification bell. So thank you, and see you again later. Bye-bye.